Hi, this is Lexie with SYS Education, and I'm here with another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're talking about how to use Google Drive. Check it out. Google Drive is a cloud storage service. That means that Google Drive is a place where you can store files from your computer on the cloud. You can either upload files onto Google Drive or you can create files in Google Drive, and then you can access these files from any computer with an internet connection. To open Google Drive, go to drive.google.com. This is your drive. In the main area of the screen, you'll see the My Drive section. This means that these are any files that you've saved to your drive. At the top is a quick access section, which suggests recently opened documents or files. There's also the Folders section and the Files section. On the left side of the screen, there's a menu with several different options available. My Drive, which we're in currently, will show you all the files saved in your Google Drive. This is selected automatically when you first enter Google Drive. Shared with Me will show you any files that have been shared with you through Google Drive by another person. Recent will show you any recently opened files, and Trash will show you any files that you've deleted from Google Drive. You can also star important files to make them appear in the Starred section. If you ever can't find a file, you can use the search bar to search for the file by name. To open a file in Google Drive, simply double-click on the file. To create a new file, click the New button and select the file type that you would like to create. You can also upload a file from your computer using the File Upload or Folder Upload buttons. Once you click File Upload or Folder Upload, your computer's file window will open and you can select a file or folder to upload. You can also drag and drop files from your computer's file window into Google Chrome. To download a file from Google Drive, you can either double tap or right click and select Download. There are a few ways to organize your files in Google Drive. We recommend using folders to help keep your drive neat and tidy. So to create a folder, click on the New button and select New Folder. You can then give your folder a title. So maybe if you're in school, you would want to create a new folder for each class, like this. Once your file appears, you can drag any relevant files into the folder. If you ever need to move a file out of a folder, you can always just open the folder and then drag the file into the My Drive section. And then it will reappear in the general unsorted drive area. You have unlimited storage on Google Drive, but if you ever want to, you're free to delete or restore files. To delete a file, right-click and select Remove. Then confirm that you would like to move your file to trash. If you need to restore a file, go into the Trash section and then right-click and select Restore. Then the file will reappear in your Google Drive as normal. There are many things you can do with Google Drive, and it's a very helpful tool for organizing your documents and files. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below. Check us out next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.